Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a paper ring. This model is very cool and very easy to make. You don't need to cut and you don't need to use glue. For a ring like this one, you can use basically any strip of paper. In this video I'm going to use about 1.5 centimeters in height and 20 centimeters in length. Starting with the center color facing down, first let's bring the two sides together, laying one layer on top of the other. Now we're going to make two folds, marking the width of the paper. On the top part we're going to fold just a little bit. This part will be used later. Then we'll fold the bottom side, leaving a small gap, so we can have some extra paper and it's easier to fit everything in the end. Finishing this, we can fold this part again using the lines we just made. Now that we've done that part, we're going to have to measure the size of the finger we're going to wear the ring on. For this, we'll just wrap the paper around the finger. And then let's fold the paper more or less here, just below the edge of the fold we just made. Again, this way we'll have a little bit of extra paper to make it easier to fit in the end. Okay, once folded, we'll have to bring this edge to this horizontal just below, folding a new diagonal line here. We can open this part. Now let's put the last fold we made behind the front layer, just below the horizontal line we made before. Then we are going to bring the paper over the front of the ring. Then bring the paper inside. And just repeat the same step as many times as you need. If you have a longer piece of paper, you can repeat this several times, the result can be even better, but since mine is a little small, there won't be much paper left at the end. As you can see, there is only a little bit left. So, to make it easier, let's bring the paper back, like this, then fold to the opposite direction, and just bring the extra paper to the middle, like this. Once this is done, we can pull this part to the side a little more, then bring it over the layers in the middle, and just fit this small rectangle underneath. After fitting, just pull the paper back. And our paper ring is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time!